Hello, children. When we talk about things that happened in the past, we use words like was, were, and weren't. Let's listen to this conversation about a school concert and learn how to use these words in sentences.
There was a school concert yesterday evening. The concert was fun.
There were many people. They were happy.
Deepa was not at the concert. She was at home. She was sick.
Was there a singer?
Yes, there was.
Were there any models?
No, there weren't.